welcome back. Today we are going to learn a new letter. Can you guess what it is? It's the letter D. Say hello to D. This is big D and this is little d. They both make the same sound D. Let's say it together. D says D. Great job! D makes the D sound like in dog. Look, here comes a happy dog. D, dog. Say it with me. Dog. D also says D like in drum. Boom, boom. Can you say D, drum? D is also for dinosaur. Roar. Let's say D, dinosaur together. And here's a duck. Quack, quack. Say D, duck. Now let's practice the D sound. Every time you see the letter D, say D with me. Say D. Say dog. Say drum. Say dinosaur. Say duck. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the letter D today. Let's remember what we learned. D says D, like in dog, drum, dinosaur, duck. Give yourself a big clap. If you had fun learning the letter D, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more alphabet fun. See you next time when we learn the letter E. Bye bye.